Okay, so here for problem number 6, they wanted us to find the probability model for the number of repairs. So the repairs is my outcomes, is the top row, and then the probability is the bottom row. Okay, so now they want B to find the expected value. So mean is equal to the expected value, 0 times, 0 times 0.6 plus 1 times 0.09 plus 2 times 0.04 plus 3 times 0.01, which is equal to 9 plus 8 is 17, and 7 is going to be 0.2. And remember, we need repairs. Hopefully my math is right here. Checking quickly to see if my answer is correct. Okay, now it says find the standard deviation. So remember, I'm going to work in the variance. So it's going to be 0 minus 0.2 squared times 0.86 plus 1 minus 0.2 squared times 0.09 plus 2 minus 0.2 squared times 0.04 plus 3 minus 0.2 squared times 0.01. Okay, I need to go find out what this is. Okay, so off to the side now, I'm going to go over here. So the variance, not the variance, the standard deviation. So the standard deviation of x is equal to the square root of the variance of x, which is equal to 0.55. And remember, it's repairs. We need units. Okay, so I have my standard deviation and I have my mean, and it says what is the expense? Okay, well here it is. So y is equal to 100 plus 25 times x, the expected value for each repair, right? So the expected value of y is equal to 100 plus 25 times the expected value of x, which is equal to $105. Okay? All right, and so let's go and do the it said the mean, and it said just say the standard deviation. So I am going to erase this all. I'm running out of room here. That's not good. Let's just change colors to change things up. Okay, so now I'm going to find the variance of y, which is equal to, now remember the 100 goes away, so it's going to be 25 squared times the variance of y. Okay, so 25 squared is what, 625? Variance squared is going to be 0.55 squared, which is 0.3025, times that by 625, and I get 189.06. So the standard deviation of x is equal to the square root of the, of y is equal to the variance of y, which is equal to the square root of my answer. So I get 1375. Oops, yeah, 75 I wrote down. Okay, they had 69. I don't know how they got 69 and I got 75. Maybe it's a rounding error. Okay, so E is the for a 3-year lease. Okay, it's not particular. So it's the expected value of x1 plus x2 plus x3, which is the expected value of x1 plus the expected value of x2 plus the expected value of x3, which is 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, which is 0.6 repairs. Okay. Okay, so now we have computer. And so now they want us to do the expected value of the printer plus computer is the expected value of the printer plus the expected value of the computer. And so I forget, what did we get for money? Okay, we got $105 plus they say is $120, which gives me $225. So now let's do the variance of x plus c, which is equal to the variance of x plus the variance of c. So when we square the variance of x, we get 0.3025 plus, and we have $30. Oh wait, no, that's what we got. Well, what we mean with the money? Come on, Schwartz. What did I get? $13.75. $13.75. Oh, I have to square that. Plus 30 squared. Okay, so 13.75 squared plus 30 squared. I'm wasting all my work so I can't see it. Okay, and so I get 1089.06. So what they really want to know is the standard deviation of x plus c, which is equal to the square root of the variance of x plus c. So we take the square root, and I get $33.00. Okay, I got $32.98. Okay, let's look down at H. It says, which contract should the company expect to cost more each year? How much more? Okay. So I guess if we want to see if one is more than the other, which service company would you expect to cost more each year? Well, I guess let's do, the book did P minus C. Okay. So let's just pick another color here. So the expected value of P minus C, it doesn't really matter, I guess, because it didn't say which one was going to be more. Okay, which is the expected value of P minus the expected value of C, which is 105 minus 120, which is negative $15. Okay? So now let's go find the standard deviation. And then remember now, because we are subtracting, we're going to be adding. So this is going to be the variance of P minus C is equal to the variance of P plus the variance of C, which we already did all that work, and I erased it. 13.75 squared plus 30 squared. So 13.75 squared plus 30 squared. And that gives me 1089.06. So that the standard deviation of P minus C is equal to the square root of the variance of P minus C, which is equal to the square root of that number, and it's going to be the same thing I got last time, $33. Okay? I'm beginning to like these problems here.